Remove the magazine by pressing the magazine release button. Take off the safety and thoroughly clear the gun. Pull the slide back and lock it back with the slide stop. Rotate the takedown lever. Pull back on the slide to release the slide and fire the trigger to release the slide off of the frame. Remove the slide. Take off the recoil spring. Remove the barrel. To reassemble, place the barrel back into the slide, replace the recoil spring, and slide the slide back onto the frame. Push the slide back and lock it back using the slide stop. Rotate the takedown lever, release the slide, and perform a functional test. Check the safety. Replace the magazine, and you are complete.